If you're like me, daily driving your car, sometimes it's hard to keep it clean. Especially in Alberta where I live, it is pretty much impossible to keep the exterior even a little bit clean in the winter, but the interior is easier to clean. I'll be showing you my quick 15-minute clean that I like to do on Project Daily to keep the interior fresh. After a single day of washing my car, this is what it looks like. Dirt all down the side. The hood isn't too bad, you still got some mud up there. So it is impossible to keep the exterior clean. But in here is a different story. It is not exposed to the elements, so we can keep it a little bit cleaner. Although dust does get in, getting in and out of the car gets mud on the floor mats, and it just gets dirty over time. And this time you won't need any special cleaners or special tools like my detailing. All you'll need is some Fantastic, a scrub brush, some Armor All protectant, some invisible glass, a rag, and your favorite air freshener. And if you don't have any of this, you can grab it at your local Napa or parts center. Now the order here is crucial. If you do it in the order I can do it, you can get it done in 15 minutes. If you switch some stuff around, you're gonna be taking a lot longer than that. The first thing you wanna do is get rid of your dirty floor mats without getting too much dirt on your rug. And throw them somewhere where they can get wet. Then grab your Fantastic and spray it. A lot of it. And once you've done spraying and spraying and spraying, take your scrub brush and scrub and scrub and scrub. And then rinse. Hang up to dry and repeat. Now that your mats are drying, take your vacuum and plug it in. You already know where I'm going with this one. Vacuum your floor and then vacuum your seats. And just like that, you're done the hardest part. Now you're gonna take this. It depends on what you like to use. I just use Armor All Protectant, but you can use any other stuff. I also have it in a spray bottle, but today we'll be using the wipes for quick and easy cleaning. And then grab the second last thing in your arsenal, invisible glass wipes, and wipe your windows down. And if you notice by now, your floor mats are dry, so you can put them back in. And then for the finale, take your favorite air freshener, which my favorite air freshener used to be these Armor All ones, but this is the last one and they don't make them anymore. So if you guys got a good air freshener recommendation, let me know in the comment section below. And there we go, Project Daily is all ready to take on the next week. So that's what I do about every couple weeks, just to keep it clean, keep everything nice and fresh for the daily drives. Until next week, where I have some super exciting news about future prospects, peace out and stay humble.